Jersey number 6, dribbling the ball to Hamili. Hamili dribbling the ball. Fars for 3. Jersey number 13 for the rebound. Recovery to Ikangao. To Halanduan. Denied. There's a whistle. It's a traveling violation. Jersey number 31 dribbling the ball, looking for opening to Hamili. Fars for 3. Halanduan for the rebound. Halanduan to jersey number 12 dribbling the ball to Vargas. Intercept by jersey number 31. Stop and pump. No good. Olorosa for the rebound. Connect for 2 points by Olorosa. Jersey number 12 to jersey number 30 to Vargas. Intercept by jersey number 31. Fast break pass to Hamili. Lays up, no good. Vargas for the rebound. Vargas dribbling the ball. Guarded by jersey number 6. Intercept by jersey number 31. Lays up, connect for 2 points by jersey number 31. Vargas for the rebound. To jersey number 12, dribbling the ball, guarded by Hamili. Shot clock 14 to Ikangao. 10 to shoot. Intercept by Nivisho to jersey number 31. Drive, no good. Vargas for the rebound. Vargas dribbling the ball. Drive, lays up, connect for 2 points by Vargas. Nivisho for the ball to jersey number 31. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 31 looking for opening to shot clock 14. Fars for 2. No good. Jersey number 30 for the rebound to jersey number 12. Driving the ball. Drive. Too strong. Jersey number 14 for the rebound. Driving the ball to jersey number 31. To Hamile. Fake. Stop and pump. Jersey number 30 for the rebound to Holland Tuan. To jersey number 12, dribbling the ball to Vargas. Vargas dribbling the ball, shot clock 14, fouls for 3. No good. Hamile for the rebound. Hamile dribbling the ball to Nimisho. To jersey number 31, there's Suizo. Jersey number 11, Vargas. First personal foul. Jersey number 31 for the second two. Ball and play. Connect for 1 point. Jersey number 30 for the ball to jersey number 12. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Hamile to Vargas. Shot clock 14. To Gigangao. Gigangao. Drive, no good. Gigangao for the second chance. To Vargas. Fars, no good. Jersey number 14 for the rebound to Hamile. Hamile dribbling the ball to Nimisho. Intercept by Gigangao. Gigangao dribbling the ball. Intercept by jersey number 14 to Nimisho. No good. Hamile for the rebound. Hamile turn around and shot. No good. Alan Juan for the rebound. Intercept by jersey number 31 to Hamile. Connect for 2 points by Hamile. And the scores of 7-2. 7-2. Vargas denied. Oloroso for the rebound. Oloroso to jersey number 31. Jersey number 31 dribbling the ball. Stop and pump. Too strong. Nimisho for the rebound to jersey number 14. Fars for 3. And out of bounds. 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time. 5 minutes and 23. Vargas dribbling the ball. Connect for 2 points by Vargas. Hamile, shot clock 14 to jersey number 31. No good. Nimisho for the rebound for the second chance, 10 to shoot. Hamile, no good. Oloroso for the rebound to jersey number 14, Fars. Alan Juan for the rebound, there's Suizo. Anspo. Jersey number 8, Alan Juan. Unsportsmanlike foul to Petros. Plus ball position. Connect for 1 point. Ball position, Barangay Miranda. Nimisho for the bounce to Hamile. Hamile to jersey number 31. Shot clock 10. Hamile. Lays up, connect for 2 points by Hamile. But jersey number 12, dribbling the ball. to jersey number 13. And intercept by jersey number 14. There's the result. It's a traveling violation. Gigangao for the inbound to jersey number 19. Fars for 3. No good. Gigangao is there. May kasama bang foul? Jersey number 31. First personal foul. And Gigangao from the feature line for the bonus through. Ball and play. Complete 3 points by Gigangao. Jersey number 14 to jersey number 31 to Hamili. Hamili driving the ball. To jersey number 31 driving the ball. Guarded by Giyangos. No good. Oloroso for the rebound to Nimisho to Hamili. Fires for 3. Giyangos for the rebound. Intercept by Nimisho. Nimisho driving the ball. To Hamili. Hamili dribbling the ball. Guarded by jersey number 19 to jersey number 14. Feed. And shot. Oloroso for the rebound. Denied. Gigangao to jersey number 12. And out of bounds. Sub. Jersey number 14 for the inbound to jersey number 31. Dribbling the ball. Looking for opening to jersey number 11. Drive. No good. Gigangao for the rebound to jersey number 12. Dribbling the ball. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Fires for 3. 2. No good. There's the whistle by kasama bang foul. Jersey number 11, first personal foul and sub. Jersey number 31 for the rebound. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by jersey number 12 to Nimisho. Fars. Jersey number 14 for the rebound to jersey number 11. Fars for 3 points by jersey number 14. And timeout Barangay MH del Pilar. And remaining time 2 minutes and 18 seconds. 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time, and the scores of 13-9 in favor of Barangay Miranda. Back to the court for the second quarter game. Shot clock 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Sub. Jersey number 11 for the round to jersey number 31, driving the ball, guarded by jersey number 12. Jersey number 31, fouled out, no good. Jersey number 14 for the rebound. Intercept by jersey number 12, dribbling the ball. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time to jersey number 19, short. And jersey number 1 to jersey number 14, intercept by Giangos. Giangos dribbling the ball to jersey number 30. Intercept by jersey number 11, dribbling the ball to jersey number 31, back to jersey number 11, fires for 3. Jersey number 14 for the rebound, connect for 2 points by jersey number 14. Gi Kangao for the rebound to Giangos to jersey number 12. Minares to jersey number 19, fires for 3. No good. Jersey number 14 for the rebound, dribbling the ball to jersey number 31, to jersey number 11, fires for 3, no good. There's Suizal, step on the line. Giangos for the rebound, 30 seconds. 25. 20 seconds. 15 seconds remaining time. 10. 5. 4.4. 4.4. 4.4. 4. End of the first quarter game, and the scores of 15-12. 3-point lead by Barangay Miranda. Back to the court for the second quarter game between Barangay MH Del Pilar and Barangay Miranda. Alan Juan for the rebound to jersey number 19. So Alan Juan on the middle. No good. Jersey number 1 for the rebound to jersey number 3. Stop and foul. It's a traveling violation. Vargas fires for 3. Alan Duon is there. No good. Alan Duon again to Vargas. Drive. No good. Jersey number 1 for the rebound. There's Suizal. Jersey number 30. First personal foul. Jersey number 11, Cars. No good. Jersey number 19. There's Suizal. Jersey number 19. Sub. First personal foul by jersey number 19. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 14. Driving the ball to Mayola. To jersey number 1. Fars, no good. And last touch by jersey number 30. Pradham to Sarasa. Jersey number 11 for the rebound to Mayola. Mayola to jersey number 1. It's a traveling violation. Recovery by Giangos, 10 to shoot. And intercept by jersey number 1 to Sarasa. Sarasa. Connect for 2 points by Sarasa. To Vargas. Vargas dribbling the ball. And intercept by Mayola. Mayola to jersey number 11. Dribbling the ball. Drive. And intercept by shot clock 5. Alan Zuon. And intercept by jersey number 11 to Sarasa. Sarasa, there with the ball. Fars for 3, connect for 3 points by Sarasa. Vargas for rebound to jersey number 19. And intercept by Sarasa. Using the glass, connect for 2 points by Sarasa. And timeout. Barangay MH Del Pilar. And remaining time 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. And the scores of 22-12. 10-point lead by Barangay Miranda. Gigangao for rebound to jersey number 6. Dribbling the ball. And intercept by Mayola. Mayola dribbling the ball. Drive. No good. Jersey number 1 for the rebound. To jersey number 11 to Mayola again. Shot clock 11 to shoot. Sub. To jersey number 19, no good. Giangos for the rebound. And intercept by De La Cruz. To jersey number 11 to Mayola. Fars for 3. Short. De La Cruz for the rebound. Wrong pass. And intercept by Gigangao. Gigangao to Giangos. Giangos to Balava. Balava to Kasaig. No good. Gigangao for the rebound. 10 to shoot. To Alan Duon. Alan Duon. to De La Cruz. No good. Giangas for the rebound. There's the whistle. Jersey number 19. Sub. First personal foul by jersey number 19. Connect for 1 point and sub. To Molenio. First connect for 2 points by Molenio. Jersey number 32, Gigangao. Gigangao to Kasai. And set by Molenio. Molenio to Mayola. Mayola. Drive. There's a whistle. Offensive foul. Jersey number 6, Mayola. First personal foul. Kasaig to Valantuon to Valava. There's a whistle. Jersey number 6, Mayola, second personal foul. Gigangao for the ball to jersey number 30. There's a whistle. Jersey number 10, Nimisho. First personal foul. Jersey number 30 for the second through. Connect for 1 point. Molenio to Sarasa. To Nimisho, to Mayola. Shot clock 14. And intercept by Balaba. Pass break pass. And last touch by Sarasa. Kasai, tipping ball, guarded by Mayola and Molenio. Intercept by Mayola. Mayola driving the ball. And recovery by jersey number 32, Balaba. Balaba driving the ball. To Kasai. To Valantuon on the middle. Short. Molenio for the rebound. Molenio driving the ball. Molenio. There's Zoizon. Offensive illegal screening by jersey number 6, Mayola. Third personal foul by Mayola. Sub. Gigangao. To Valantuon, shot clock 14, drive, no good. Molenio for the rebound. Mili during the ball. Intercept by Gigangao to Kasai, no good. Nimisho to Sarasa. Sarasa driving the ball to Hamili. Hamili to jersey number 19. First denied. Alan Duon for the rebound. Alan Duon to jersey number 30. To Balaba. Balaba. To Kasae. First. Nimisio for the rebound to Sarasa. Sarasa. No good. Nimisio to Yamile. Back to Sarasa. Connect for 2 points by Sarasa. Balaba for the rebound to Kasai. Back to Balaba. 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Balaba first for 3. Alan Duon for the second chance. Right, no good. Jersey number 30. Molenio for the rebound. Molenio to Sarasa. Sarasa dribbling the ball. Denied. Jersey number 30 to Balaba. Balaba dribbling the ball. To Alan Duon. First, no good. Jersey number 19. And the set by Gigangao. Gigangao to Alan Duon. Drive lays up, no good. Jersey number 30. No good. Nivisio for the rebound. Nivisio dribbling the ball. And the set by Kasaig. Kasaig dribbling the ball. Sub. Gigangao to Binares. First, no good. Nivisio for the rebound to Sarasa. Sarasa to Hamele. Hamele doing the ball. No good. Jersey number 30 for the rebound to Binares. Binares doing the ball. There's his own. Jersey number 14. Sarasa. Sub. First personal foul by Sarasa and penalty. Penalty. Jersey number 30, Molenio for the rebound. Molenio to Padilla. Padilla driving the ball. Padilla looking for opening to Hamili. Shot clock 14, fires for 3, no good. Giangos there, so is all. Jersey number 11, Molenio. First personal foul by Molenio. Connect for 1 point. Giangos from the beat line for the second through ball and play. Padilla to Hamile. Hamile to Molenio. Molenio. No good. Vargas for the rebound. There's the whistle. Jump ball. And arrow goes to Barangay Mirata. $50 seconds. There's the result. Jersey number 19. Second personal foul. 48 seconds remaining time. 48. Penalty. Warning, jersey number 10 for delaying the game. Menyares for the rebound. To Gigangao. Fade. Using the glass. No good. Gigangos for the rebound. Turn around and fade away. No good. To Vargas. 10 to shoot. 35 seconds. 5 to shoot. 25. Denied. Padilla. 20. 15. 10. 5. Sub. 4.4. 4.4. 4 seconds, point 4. 4. End of the second quarter game, and the scores of 26-16. 10-point lead by Barangay Miranda. Gigangao for the inbound to Menyares. Menyares dribbling the ball. Back to Gigangao. Gigangao to Menyares. Shot clock 14. To jersey number 19. Fars. Padilla for the rebound. Padilla dribbling the ball. To Hamili. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 14. To Hamili. Shot clock 14. There's a whistle, it's a traveling violation. Menyares to jersey number 30. Intercept by Padilla. Recovery by jersey number 30. To Vargas, no good. Vargas again. Padilla for the rebound. Padilla dribbling the ball, guarded by Menyares. And last touch by Menyares. Padilla to Hamili. Hamili to Division. To jersey number 14. Fars. To jersey number 19. Dribbling the ball. There's the whistle, jersey number 6, Hamili, first personal foul by Hamili. Ball and play. Complete 2 points by jersey number 19. Jersey number 11 for the rebound to Padilla. Padilla dribbling the ball. Looking for a feeling to Hamele, falls for 3, no good. Gigangao for the rebound to jersey number 30 to Minares to jersey number 19. Drive denied. Vargas, there's his own jump ball. Barangay Miranda ball. Jersey number 14 to Padilla giving the ball to jersey number 14 to Hamele. Pinoy step, no good. Jersey number 30 for the rebound to Gigangao to Minares to jersey number 19, fires for 3, connect for 3 points by jersey number 19. Padilla dribbling the ball. Padilla to Hamele, shot clock 14 to Nimisho dribbling the ball. There's a result, offensive foul, jersey number 10, Nimisho, second personal foul. Minares to jersey number 19. There's a whistle. Jersey number 14. Second personal foul and Mantok first personal foul. Ball and play. Jersey number 30. 10 to shoot to Gigangao. And last touch by jersey number 30. 23. Hamele to Nimisho to Padilla. Jersey number 30 for the rebound to jersey number 19 to Vargas dribbling the ball. And timeout. Barangay Miranda. And remaining time 6 minutes and 36 seconds. 6 minutes and 36 seconds. 6 minutes and 36 seconds and the scores of 26-23. 3-point lead by Barangay Miranda. Gigangao to Minares. No good. Jersey number 30 for the rebound. 10 to shoot. To Vargas. 5 to shoot. And the set by Nimisho. Dribbling the ball to Hamele. To jersey number 31. First 11 connect for 3 points by jersey number 11. To Vargas dribbling the ball, drive, no good. Jersey number 14 for the rebound, there's Suizal. Jersey number 19. Second personal foul by jersey number 19, Hamele to Mantok. to Division denied. Padilla for the recovery, bars for 2. Jersey number 11, no good. Menares for the rebound to Vargas. Vargas driving the ball, drive. Jersey number 11 for the rebound to Hamile. Hamile driving the ball to Padilla. Padilla. There's the whistle. It's a traveling violation. There's the whistle. Jersey number 31. Padilla, 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Jersey number 19 driving the ball. Drive, no good. Jersey number 30, no good. Nivisho for the rebound. Nivisho driving the ball to Hamile. Hamile driving the ball. Shot clock 14, Hamile guarded by Menares. Drive, no good. Nivisho fade away, connect for 2 points by Nivisho. Menares to Vargas. Vargas driving the ball. Drive, lays up, connect for 2 points by Vargas. Jersey number 11 to Hamile. Hamile driving the ball. Hamile, drive, first, no good. Jersey number 30 for the rebound to Menares. Menares to jersey number 19, first for 3, no good. To Vargas, no good. Vargas again for the rebound. Shot clock 10, Vargas drive, connect for 2 points by Vargas. Nivisho to Umatok to Hamile. There's the whistle. Warning, jersey number 19. Clapping or breaking the foul. Molinho back to Hamile. To Nivisho, to Molinho, no good. Jersey number 30 for the rebound. To Menares. Menares driving the ball to jersey number 19. Lays up, connect for 2 points by jersey number 19. And the set, recovery by Umatok to Padilla. Padilla driving the ball. First for 2, connect for 2 points by Padilla. Jersey number 32, Vargas. Vargas driving the ball. Drive, no good. Gigangao is there, connect for 2 points by Gigangao. Molinho to Padilla. Padilla driving the ball to Umatok. Umatok to Hamile. Shot clock 14. To Nivisho. Connect for 2 points by Nivisho. Vargas driving the ball. Vargas driving the ball. Drive, turn around, and extra pass to jersey number 19. Molinho for the rebound to Umatok. Umatok driving the ball. To Padilla. Padilla to Hamile. Shot clock 14. Hamile lays up, no good. Jersey number 30 for the rebound. And intercept by Nivisho. Nivisho to Padilla. Padilla driving the ball. Stop and pump, no good. Molinho for the rebound to Hamile. Connect for 2 points by Hamile. And timeout. Barangay MH Del Pilar. And remaining time 1 minute and 44 seconds. Remaining time. 1 minute and 44 seconds. And the scores of 37-31. 6-point lead by Barangay Miranda. Gigagaw for the bounce to Vargas, intercept by Padilla. 38-31. At saka 37-31. 37-31. 11 to shoot. Nimisho for the rebound. 10 to shoot. Mayola to Padilla. 5 to shoot. Molina fires for the long two, no good. Alan Joon for the rebound. Alan Joon to Balaba. To Vargas. Mayola dribbling the ball. Mayola to Molina. No good. Oloroso is there to connect for 2 points by Oloroso. Minares dribbling the ball. Guarded by Padilla. Minares to Halanzuon. Halanzuon to Gigangao. Intercept by Oloroso to Mayola. Mayola dribbling the ball. Mayola, extra pass to Molenio, no good. Alan Doon for the rebound. To Gigangao, intercept by Nimisho. Nimisho to Padilla. Padilla, 15. 10. 5. End of the third quarter game between Barangay MH Del Pilar and Barangay Miranda. And the scores of 39-31, 8-point lead by Barangay Miranda. Gigagaw for rebound. Oloroso to Mayola. Mayola to Padilla. Shot clock 14. Nimisho 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Giangas for the rebound. Giangas there, so he's on. Jersey number 6, Mayola. Fourth personal foul by Mayola. And the scores of 39-31. Giangas dribbling the ball to Minares. Minares dribbling the ball guarded by Padilla. Shot clock 14. Minares to Giangas. First for 3. Nimisho for the power rebound. Nimisho to Padilla. Padilla dribbling the ball. Padilla. Drive. Pinoy step. No good. Padilla again, fade away, connect for 2 points by Padilla. Giangas to Minares. Minares dribbling the ball. Guarded by Moleño. 10 to shoot. To Giangas. First for 3. Gigagaw, no good. Jersey number 30, and there's Suizon. Jersey number 7, Oloroso. First personal foul. Gigagaw for the rebound, there's Suizon. Jersey number 11, Moleño. Second personal foul by Moleño, and Gigagaw from the feature line for the first 2. Connect for 1 point. Gigagaw for the second 2. Ball and play. Complete 2 points by Gigagaw. Oloroso for the rebound to Padilla. Padilla dribbling the ball. Padilla to Moleño. Moleño stop him from. Jersey number 30 for the rebound. Intercept by Moleño. No good. There's Suizon. Jersey number 6, Mayola. 5 fouls ka na. 5 fouls na si Mayola. Sub. Gigagaw for the ball to Giangas. Giangas dribbling the ball to Halan Duan. Halan Duan dribbling the ball. Right, there's Suizon. Jersey number 7, Oloroso. Second personal foul. Not count. Step on the line. Halanzo on for the second through. Ball and play. Gigagaw. Hamili to Padilla. Padilla. Drive no good. Halanzo on for the rebound to Minares. Minares driving the ball. Minares. No good. Shot clock 14. Halanzo on to Gigagaw. Denied. 10 to shoot. And intercept by Hamili. Hamili. Dribbling the ball. There's his own step on the line. Sub jersey number 12. Jersey number 32, Vargas. Vargas dribbling the ball, guarded by Hamili. Vargas dribbling the ball, drive, there's his own. Jersey number 7, Oloroso. Third personal foul. Jersey number 30 for the rebound to Vargas. 10 to shoot to jersey number 30. Intercept by Molenio. Molenio dribbling the ball. Molenio. Drive, lays up, no good. Vargas for the rebound. Vargas dribbling the ball. Fast break pass to Gigangao. Gigangao. Intercept by Molenio. Molenio to Padilla. Padilla lays up, connect for 2 points by Padilla. Six minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Vargas drive no good. Denied by Oloroso to Nevisio. Intercept recovery by Minares. There's Suizo. Jersey number 11, Molinio. Sub. Penalty. Penalty. Molinio, third personal foul. Complete 2 points by Minares. Nevisio for the ball. And last touch by Hamili. Last touch by jersey number 19. Miranda ball. Hamili to Molinio. Molinio dribbling the ball. To Hamili. To Nevisio. Nevisio dribbling the ball. Minares to Halanduan, bars for 3. Connect for 3 points by Halanduan. Padilla to Hamili, shot number 14. Hamili, bars connect for 2 points by Hamili. Gigangao for the bound to jersey number 19, dribbling the ball. To Gigangao. To Minares. Minares to jersey number 19. There's a whistle. May kasama bang foul? Jersey number 11, Molinio. Fourth personal foul. Fourth personal foul by Molinio and sub. Jersey number 19 for the bonus through. Ball and play.
Yawa na.
Complete 4 points by jersey number 19. Nimisho rebound to Padilla. Padilla, 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Padilla to Hamile. Shot clock 14. To jersey number 11. Fars no good. Gigangao for the rebound. Gigangao. To Minares. Minares to jersey number 13. Out of bounds. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 45-42. Padilla having the ball. Amele, 10 to shoot. Oloroso to Padilla. And out. Dimitri for the rebound. There's the result. Jersey number 10, Gigangao, second personal foul. Connect for 1 point by Nimisho. Gigangao for the bound to Minares. Minares driving the ball guarded by Hamele. To jersey number 19, guarded by Nimisho. Jersey number 19 to Minares. Shot clock 14. Minares driving the ball. 10 to shoot. It's a traveling violation. And timeout, Barangay MH Del Pilar. Remaining time 3 minutes and 48 seconds. 3 minutes and 48 seconds. And the scores of 46-42. Hamele dribbling the ball to Padilla, 10 to shoot. Fires for 3, no good. Jersey number 19 for the rebound. Jersey number 19 to Gigangao. Gigangao dribbling the ball guarded by Hamele. Intercept by Padilla. Padilla lays up for 2 points by Padilla. Minares for the rebound to jersey number 19, back to Minares to jersey number 19, jersey number 19 dribbling the ball to jersey number 30, intercept by Nimisho to jersey number 11. 11 dribbling the ball, guarded by Gigangao. There's a whistle. Jersey number 10, Gigangao, third personal foul and fourth team foul. Padilla for the bound to Hamile. Hamile dribbling the ball to Nimisho to Padilla. There's the result. It's a Rabili violation. Minares to jersey number 30. Connect for 2 points by jersey number 30. Oloroso to Padilla. Padilla dribbling the ball. Padilla dribbling the ball. Looking for opening to Hamile. Shot clock 14. Hamile dribbling the ball. Guarded by Alajuan. 10 to shoot. And the set by jersey number 19. To Minares, to jersey number 30. Connect for 2 points by jersey number 30. Hamile dribbling the ball. To Nimisho. Shot clock 14. Last 2 minutes. And connect for 2 points by Hamile. Minares dribbling the ball. Minares takes the pass to jersey number 19 using the glass tools wrong. Jersey number 30 is there, but there's a whistle. Jersey number 11. First personal foul by jersey number 11. Jersey number 30 for the second through. Ball and play. Harlan Drew for the rebound. Harlan Drew and the set by Padilla. Recovery by Minares. And the set again by Padilla. The jersey number 21 to Nimisho. Nimisho to Hamile. Hamile. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. To jersey number 11 for 2. No good. Nimisho for the rebound. To Padilla. Denied. Nimisho, third personal foul. Penalty. Connect for 1 ball. For the second through. Ball and play. Hamile with the ball. To jersey number 11, denied. And the seven, jersey number 11, 1 minute and 1 second remaining time via Padilla to Hamile. Shot clock 14, 55. 10 to shoot, 15 seconds. Oloroso there, no good. 14 seconds. 35. Wait, seconds. 25. And time out. Barangay MH Del Pilar. And remaining time 25 seconds. 25 seconds. 25 seconds running time. 25. Back to the ball game. Mantok to Ni Michel. There's the result. Jersey number 19. Third personal foul by jersey number 19. And Michel from the victory line for the first through. Michel for the second through. Ball and play. Connect for 1 point. 21 seconds. 21. 20. 15. 10. Jersey number 14, Mantok. Mantok, second personal foul. There's the result, jersey number 8, Alan Duon. Second personal foul, 8 seconds remaining time. 8 seconds. Ni Michel from the victory line for the first through. Ni Michel for the second through. 8 seconds remaining time, 8 seconds. Ball and play. Connect for 1 point by Ni Michel. 7, 5. End of the game, and player shake hands.